Good morning, students. Welcome you all. Today we will begin your maths lesson number 2, number work, standard 5th. Now students, tell me what is number. You know what is numbers, like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are the numbers. In this lesson we will learn more about the number work, means how to write the number in words. In words you have learned it in the previous standard, and how to make the 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit number. So students, what is digits? You know that also. These are the digits like 0, 1, 2, 3. These are called what? Number as well as digit also. So let's start the problem set 2. First question, using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 10 each of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers. Read the numbers. First we have to make the 10 numbers of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit. Then read these numbers also. How do we make the 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit number? See, using these digits. What? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And we have to make 10 numbers of what? 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit. So first we will make the 2 digit numbers. Two digit numbers. What are the 2 digits number? See, 1, 2. 1, 2 is what? How do we read this number? This is what? 12. 2 digit number is what? 12. 1, 2. Then you can take 2, 3. Means what we read this? 23. Understood? So this is 2 digit number. When we are using 2 digits, that is called 2 digit numbers. You can take any number, any 2 digit number you can take and read that number also. But you cannot take 0 as the first number. You cannot take 02, 03, 04, 05. Don't be take like this. Okay, so 23. Then we can take 56, or we can take 67, or we can take 43. Any number but 2 digits, and don't use the same number in this, in any pair. Like 33, you cannot take like this number. You have to use only at once. Don't take 44. You cannot take 66, 77. Understood? So 12, 23, 56, 67, 43, 98, or you can take 89. Any 2 digit number you can write. See how many numbers I have made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more numbers I have to make. 45, 78. So these are what? 10 of 2 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Because here It has written what? Write 10 each of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit. Have you understood, students? Same thing you have to do in the 3 digit number. So 3 digit number, how do you take? 1, 2, 3. First write it that number, any 3 digit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's your choice. You can take any 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. How do we read? 123. Then 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 means what? 345. Then take 4, 5, 6 means what? 456. Or you can take 2, 4, 5. Or you can take 2, 5, 2. Sorry, 2, 5, 3. Don't repeat it. Okay. 2, 5, 3. 2, 5, 4. So you have to make these also 10 numbers. Same thing in 4 digit. So for 4 digit numbers, what we have to take? 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can take 1, then you can take 0. 0, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 0, 3, 1. So how do we read this? 1234. 1023. 4567. 2031. Have you understood? If there is a 0 means there is no place of 100. Here is what? 0. So we will read what? We cannot read the place of 100 because there is a 0. So we directly read 1023. 4567. 2031. Same thing you have to do in 5 digit number also. Just like 2, 3, 4 digit numbers, you have to do in the same 5 digit number. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are what? 5 numbers or 5 digits. So write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. You can take like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. So you have to make like this. Then how do we read this 5 digit number? See, 12,345. 12,340. 34,567. Is that clear to you? So write it in your notebook and complete it the rest of the numbers which I have not written. This is for your homework. Now see the second one. Fill in the blanks in the table below. See, first column is given in Devanagari numerals and second one is what? International numerals. Devanagari numerals means what? You know, these are the what in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know, these are the what? Devanagari. International 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just now we have done. And in words, how do we read that number? Okay, so Same as we have to write in words also. Like this number, what we will read? 2359. So this you have to write in words. 2359. So you have to complete this table. See, you know these numbers. This is what number? Which number is this? 3. So first you have to write the number 3 in international numerals. This is what? 2. Then 2. Then here comma is there. So you have to put the comma. Next number is what? 7. Write the number 7. Then here is which number? 5. Then this is 6. Understood? When it is given in Devanagari numerals, so you have to write in the international numerals. When it will give in international numerals, you have to write in Devanagari numerals. And here you have to write the numbers in words. See, which number is this? How do we read this number? Same, we have to write in words. See here, 32,000, because when we start from this is what? Unit place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Got it? So 32,756. Write in words. See, write it like this. 32,756. Here there is no space. That's why I have written in this way. Next one. See, it is given in international numerals. You can read easily. What? 6, 7, 8, 5, 9. So, how will you write in Devanagari numerals? Devanagari form? 6. How will you write 6? Like this. 6. See, here it is written. Then 7 means, then put the comma. 8. Then 5. Then 9. Understood? So you have to write like this. Now read this number. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 means this is 67,859. Write it here. 67,859. Got it? See the fourth one. What? 1. You have to write in international numerals. 1, then comma, 0, 3, 4. Means 1034. 0 is there in the 100 place. So that means 1034. Now in the fifth one, it is given in what? Words only, and we have to fill these two columns. See, which number is this? 27,895. See, comma is here, means we have to write the 27,000. So first we will write in this column 27,895. 895. Have you understood? How will we write? 27,895. Now in Devanagari form, first we have to write what? 20 means 2, 7, 8, 9 and 5. In Devanagari, how will we read? 27,895. Got it? 2, 7, 8, 9, 5. Here 1. Have you understood? So 1, 0, 3, 4. Complete this table in your notebook also. Now see, as a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Zilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka-wise number of the bags and write the numbers in words. Here there are different talukas are there, and they had given the bags also, paper bags, and we have to write the number in words. Just now I told you how do we read this number? 12,740. So this is your homework. Write it in words. First write the taluka name and then this number, and in front of this you have to write the number in words. The second one is what? Shevgaon. I am reading this number and you have to write it in your notebook. How do we write this number in words? 28,095. Karjat 31,608, and in Sangamner 10,972. Now next one, question number 4. How many rupees do they make? Here first one is, here some notes have given like 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. We have to make what? How many rupees they make. First one, see. Now first we will make the 20 notes of 1000 rupees. 20 notes of what? 1000 rupees. Means what? 20 into 1000. What? 20,000. Got it? 20 notes of what? 1000 rupees. 20 notes of 1000 rupees means 20,000. And second one is what? 12 notes of 100 rupees. 12 notes of which rupees? 100 rupees. Have you understood? Here is asking what? 1000 की कितने notes है? 20 notes है. And 100 rupees की कितने notes है? 12. So here we have to make that rupees. 12 notes of 100 means 1200. 20 notes of 1000 means 20,000. So 1200. See, how do you write? Unit place, tens, 100, what? Unit, 10, 100 and 1000. And here is what? 10,000. That means 20,000. Here 20 notes of 1000 rupees is what? 20,000. 12 notes of 100 rupees, 1200. One, or you can read 1200. Then third is what? 14 notes of 10 rupees. 14 notes of 10 rupees. Means what? 14 notes of 10 rupees. 14 into 10. 140. Now add this. How many rupees do they make? See, 0, 0, 0 comes what? 0. 0, 0 plus 4. What? 4. 2 plus 1, 3. And plus 0 what? It will be 3. 1 plus 0, 1. Then 2. How many rupees? 20 1340. This is the answer. Got it? Now see the second one. This is for your homework. I am just showing how do you write. 15 notes of 1000 rupees means what? 15,000, 15 into 1000. Just now we have done 20 notes of 1000 means 20,000. Same as like here, 15 notes of 1000 rupees, 15,000. 12 notes of 100 rupees means 1200. 8 notes of 10 rupees means 80 rupees. And 5 coins of 1 rupees means what? 5. Now add these numbers, you can get the answer. Fifth one. Write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit numbers that can be made using the digits 4, 5, 0, 3, 7 only once. Write the biggest and the smallest. First we have to write which number? Biggest number. So how do we write the biggest number? For that we have to take which is the bigger number in these numbers. Which is the bigger number? Yes, 7 is the bigger number. That's why we will take first this number. Biggest number, first what? 7. You can what? Make the biggest number like this. When you see which is the bigger number, 7 is the greater or bigger number. Then after 7, which will be the next one? 5. So 5. Then next 4. Write the 4. Then 3. Then last one is what? Which number is remaining? 0. Understood? Here is asking write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit numbers. So 5-digit number is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and biggest number is also there. We have done 7 what? 5, 4, 3, 0. Have you understood? How do we find this biggest number? First you have to decide which is the bigger number. Then what? After that, then you will get the answer. Then how will we read this number? 75,430. Same thing in this smallest number, but for this smallest number you have to find which is the smallest number in these 5 digit. So you can take is the in reverse form like 0, 3, 4, 5, 7. This is the easiest method. Understood? Very easiest method. You can get the answer. How do we find the biggest number and how do we find the smallest number? Understood? Now sixth one. The names of some places and their population are given below. Use this information to answer the questions that follow. Here some places and their populations are given. We have to see and answer the following questions. See, first one is what? Tala. Population is given what? 40,642. Then Gagan Bawra. 35,777. Bodwat. 91,256. Moregaon. 87,012. Bamragad 35,950. Vele 54,497. Asti 76,201. Vashi 92,173. Morwara 85,890. Is this completed? Yes. First we have to read these numbers, means these population. Then you will what? Give the answers of this question. Which place has the greatest population? What is its population? Which has the greatest population? Which is the greatest number? C. This is 40,000, 87,000, 76,000, 35,000 something. What? So 35,000 and something. So which is the greatest number? You can see this one. Means this place has the highest population, greatest population. Which place? Vashi. So here we have to mention which place. Vashi has the greatest population. And here he is asking one more question. What is its population? So what is its population? It is given 92,173. See here, it is 91,256. But here 92,000. That means this is the greatest. This has the greatest population. Got it? So you have to write the answer in your notebook. Vashi has the greatest population and its population is 92,173. Now second one. Which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has the greatest population? Which place, Morwada or Moregaon? Where is the Morwada? See here. And Moregaon. Which is the greatest population? See these two numbers. These two population. Which is the greatest? Yes, Moregaon. So you have to write Moregaon has the greater population. Third one. Which place has the smallest population? How much is it? Smallest population means which is the smallest number you can see. See here is what? 35,777. And here 35,950. So which is the smaller? Which is the smallest? Yes. Gagan. What? Gagan Bawda. 35,777. Here you have to write what? Gagan Bawda has the smallest population. How much is it? 35,777. Now let's move on to the next problem set. Problem set 3. Read the numbers and write them in words. This problem set is very easy. We have done in the problem set 2 also. So here there are some numbers are given. First one is what? 7. What? How do we read this? 7,65,234. When there is a 6 digit, that means it will 7 or what? Lakhs. It will what in which place? Lakhs. 7,65,234. Here 4,73,225. How do we write the in words? See here, I am just writing only first one and you have to do the rest of the one. 7 lakhs 65,000 200 and 34. Got it? See, you have to write like this: 7,65,234. Second one, you have to do it by yourself. What? 4,73,225. 3,27,001. Only one. There is no tens and hundred is given. 8,75,375. What I am saying, you have to write in words also. 1,50,437, 2,03,174, because there is no number in 10,000 place. Got it? Read it with me. 6,47,851. Here 9,999, because there is not any number is given in these two places, 1,000 and 10,000. So we directly read like what? 9,999. 5,75,010. 4,03,005. Got it? 4,03,005. You have to write in words. Now see the second one. Read the numbers and write them in figure. First one is given what? 1,35,855. How will we write? See? So how do we write? 1,35,855. Got it? Second one. 7,27,000. That is 4 lakh. Means what? 4,25,300. Means we have to put the 0 over there. 4,25,300. 9,09,099. 9,99,099 means what? We have to put the 0 and write 99, because there is not mentioned the 100 place number. So 9,99,099. You have to write it in your notebook, not in your textbook. 7,49,362. 7,49,000. 7,49,362. And the last one is what? 8 lakh. Means how many 0 will come here? Yes, 50. Means for 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, unit. Then it will make what? 8 lakhs. See, 8 lakhs. That's it. Have you understood, students? And the last question is what? Make 5 6-digit numbers each time using any of the digits 0 to 9 only once. Here you have to make 5 6-digit number. What we have done in practice set 2. In question number 1, I have what explained you? Till the 4-digit number. Here, till the 5-digit number. Here you have to write this 6-digit number and how many numbers? 5. Okay, this is your homework. Write it in your notebook and complete it. This problem set 2. And we will continue from problem set 4 in the next video. Thank you so much, students.